Comrades Ria. Comrades Ria. Comrades Viva. Viva. Our dear comrades of the great university and public at large, we are here today to address the concern of the student leadership of the University of Nairobi. We have issues that are pressing in this nation that have not been addressed. But we are here today to question, to condemn, and to give a demand that they should be addressed as soon as possible. Recently, we saw what happened in this nation next to our university, that sponsored goons came and interfered with the student affairs and some were robbed along University Way. We are here to condemn that. Number two, we are here to condemn the killing of the innocent soul of Kenyans. Recently, we saw Albert Ojwang, who was killed next to our university. We have not received any information. We have not received a credible information on why Ojwang was killed and who were involved. The things are going up and down, yet we are the student next to Central Police Station. We are giving a demand that we want a comprehensive report on who were involved and why were they killing and who have been killed and hidden that we don't know. Comrades Viva. Viva. Comrades Ria.
Yeah. Dear esteemed comrades, we converge today with heavy hearts but with unshaken vision and focus. I want categorically address and reiterate the words of Marcus Aurelius. Justice can also be done without doing nothing. As the Congress today, we have convened to at least do something. We recently witnessed our students being robbed just next to our gate, and we want to send a warning to the government that is embedded with protecting the citizens. The government, with the police officers, are embedded with the task to protect the citizen, and they have failed. Again, we want to disassociate ourselves with the press that was released with some of the section of UNSA students. We are not puppet of powers. We are standing for the justice, and we want to say that the UNSA is a University of Nairobi Students Association, is not related with any government officers. Comrades Viva! Viva!
Comrades Viva!
Viva!
Upon these things that you're seeing now, it is police brutality, and not only as Kenyans, we condemn it. And one thing I would say is that when police kill or without any just cause, that is not only tragedy, but it is they are losing public trust, and it is unfair to Kenyans, and it is unfair to university students. And we have just seen the mask vendors who was killed. That person was unarmed. That person was just doing their hustle, and it is bad, and we condemn it. And without any fear of contradiction, this government is failing us. Yes. Comrades Viva!
Viva!
Comrades Power!
Power!
Comrades Power!
Power!
Today, we are here as UNSA to give a statement about the current issues, speak about the University of Nairobi.
Comrades, today we converge here with heavy hearts, but with the unshaken vision and focus. We want categorically criticize the ongoing police brutality. One of us, Albert Ojwang from Homa Bay, was murdered just nearby police station, that's Central Police Station. We demand for justice for Albert Ojwang. Just like in the Bible, Abel did cry from the ground and sought justice. We want justice for all the fallen souls, and we today converge to pray for the souls and demand for justice. Secondly, we recently witnessed students from the University of Nairobi being robbed, their items, and being tortured and battered just around the school gates. We want to call upon the stakeholders and the security team to do a follow-up and arrest those who were captured in the cameras doing the act and be prosecuted. Comrades Power! Power!
Comrades Viva!
Viva!
Viva Comrades Viva!
Viva!
Viva Comrades Viva!
Viva!
I'm Patrick Owino, Chairperson, Council, Governors, University of Nairobi. Here to address a very critical issue within the university. Currently, the state of this nation is unstable, and the security is really scaring the students at the university level not to be secured. Just as has been said, recently, majority of students that were along University Way were robbed by sponsored goons, which we yet to know who sponsored them and why for them to rob students. Number two, the Ministry of Education told us that they are going to form a council in the University of Nairobi as soon as 1 week ago. Now it is 1 month. There is no council, there is nothing in the university. We call upon the Ministry of Education to ensure that in the next 21 days, the council is formed and we have a full capacity that operates the university activity. Number three, we want a report on the Albert Ojwang killing. Who and why? And why are they delaying to give that report? Comrade Viva. Comrade Ria. Yeah.
Comrades power. Comrades power. It is so sad that we are seeing that police who are meant to protect us, they are in the front line helping these goons. They are the ones who are checking as people are being killed, are being shot, and it is so sad. But we stand here as a Congress and an University Students Association that holds justice, and we want accountability from these police officers because it is so sad and it is a tragedy. And without any fear of contradiction, this government is failing us. Comrades, viva!
Viva!
Comrades, power!
Power!
Comrades, power!
Power!
My name is Joy Wanyai, and I'm here to give a statement about the University of Nairobi. Our university has been ranked below 1,000 at the international level, and I want to say it is so sad considering our university to be a world-class university. Also, our factors are not in good condition, and comrades are really paying a high amount of money for accommodation. So today we want to know when the accommodation fee will be reduced. Comrades, power! Accommodation fee must fall. Accommodation fee must fall. Yes. Thank you.
Brenda.
Comrades, power.
Power.
Comrades, power.
Power.
We must call out the impunity in this country and the bullshit that is going on. Our so-called leaders are just free nonsense and the most diabolical sentiments. Where did we get as a nation where police are liaising with goons to attack peaceful protesters? The other day at the University of Nairobi entrance, one which is just right opposite Central Police Station. Comrades were robbed. We are seeking for justice and we must call them out. And I want to call out the self-appointed goons, and I want to tell them this. Those politicians will just use you and get rid of you when they are done. We will stand united, we won't be silent, we won't be deterred. And we must fight for justice. Comrades, power!
Power!
Viva, comrades, viva!
Viva!
Viva, comrades, viva!
Viva!
Yeah, we are standing here very agitated, saddened with the act of the events that are happening in our country, Kenya. We are standing here not just as student leaders, but youths and leaders of tomorrow. We are here to condemn the act of brutality that has been happening in our country, Kenya, during the past days. As we've just heard from my fellow student leaders here, some of us were injured, some of us items were stolen just here at the University Way, and we are having a police station next to our university. One question that we are asking ourselves is that in whose hands are we safe? Comrades, power! Wow. Comrades, rear! Yeah. Another thing is that to address the issues that are happening in our school, you just saw the recent ranking that happened. Our university is below our expectation. We are asking our Vice Chancellor, our able Vice Chancellor, what are you doing to make sure that our university is getting back where it was? We need the glory of UN to be retained. We need our university not to go down, but to continue being the top university in the world and in East Africa. Comrades power. Wow. Comrades Ria. Yeah. So we are urging the Vice Chancellor to kindly take an action and save our university, stabilize the leadership in the university, appoint the council, that is in conjunction with the Minister for Education, and the PS, that is Beatrice Nyangala,